Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss a video from NYOOOZ.
India has joined the global ban on flying Boeing 737 MAX plane after the deadly crash killing all on board on 10th March. DGCA has taken the decision to ground the Boeing 737 MAX planes immediately. These planes will be grounded until appropriate modifications and safety measures are undertaken to ensure they are safe. The ban would impact SpiceJet and Jet Airways the most, as they are the only two airlines operating the Boeing 737 MAX in India. SpiceJet has 13 jets while Jet Airways have 12. News Desk.